Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to allow Instagram access to photos on iPhone. So first of all, as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now, if I wanted to allow access to the photos, I'm going to just get back to my screen and I'm going to just go ahead to the main settings right here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down until you find the Instagram app. So just go ahead right here and click on it. And basically what you're going to see right here, contact, location, and many tools that you can manage from. And I'm gonna just go ahead and click photos, and as you can see right here, the photo library access, and I'm gonna just give full access to my photos and videos. That basically means that you associated your videos and photos to your Instagram. Now whenever you wanted to post something on Instagram, you'll be granted an access, or the Instagram will be granted an access to your photos, and then you'll be able to post whatever you want. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.